Hello class! Today, Teacher Dale is going to do a lesson in English about making banana bread. We have many vocabulary words. The first vocabulary word is banana. To save time, teacher has the ingredients ready. Here are the bananas, but before I even do that, I have two things I have to take care of. One, I need to melt the butter that we're going to use. So I will use the microwave. I'm going to do it carefully so it doesn't make a mess. I'm also preheating the oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Can someone convert that for me in Celsius? Also, teacher, along with Tina, has founded the global, okay, let's try that again now that the beeping stopped. We've created a Facebook page, Global Language Community, and we're asking you to follow and like us on Facebook. We are the co-founders. And this is my new QR code that teacher overcame a tech hurdle on Canva to make for the class. This is a direct link to teacher's YouTube channel at English Teacher Dale. Please use this QR code to like, share, and subscribe to teacher's YouTube channel. I also have an Instagram, ESL Teacher Dale. Now, what are we going to do first? The first thing I'm going to do is put flour in a bowl, like that. I also am going to add sugar. Now, teacher is talking about being healthy, and this is a dessert, so I'm using half the recommended sugar. And it's still going to taste great because I have other items that will replace the sugar. So what do we have for ingredients? We have flour, F-L-O-U-R, sugar, S-U-G-A-R, and we have bananas, B-A-N-A-S, B-A-N-A-S, bananas. Did teacher spell it right? If not, it's okay to make a mistake in English class. B-A-N-A-A, banana. Now, when you have plurals, you use an S, bananas, B-A-N-A-N-A-S, bananas. Now, I'm going to add my dry ingredients right now to this. I'm going to use baking soda. B-A-K-I-N-G-S-O-D-A. Baking soda, 1 teaspoon, and that is coming into here. So that adds to teacher's dry ingredients. I'm also going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla, V-A-N-I-L-L-A, vanilla, to the wet ingredients. I'm sorry, dry, T-R-Y, dry ingredients. See, teacher made another mistake, but it's okay. We can make mistakes in English class.